What's up, Fisher family? And we are going to do how well do we know each other. Last time we did 50 random questions. This time we're going to ask questions about each other, figuring out who knows each. Loser sleeps on the couch.
That's not going to be me. It's how well we know each other / MUKBANG.
Is that what you said?
So, well, we got tacos. Here's the nacho fries. And then I got my Cinnabon Delights.
I gotta keep the cheese with me though.
We already started drinking this.
And then we got, we got some cheese and everything. So which one you want first? You want to do?
This is really good though.
The watermelon freezy?
And I got my Gold Pig tea. Sponsor me. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Seriously, I'm not even kidding.
So which one you want first? The soft shell or the
hard shell?
Yeah.
I didn't get the soft shell and the
yeah, so
Doritos local taco.
they gave us there's
Don't mind my hair.
So which one you wanna go for?
Frizzy.
Wait. So which one you wanna go first? Soft shell?
Soft shell. I'm gonna eat a Cinnabon Delight though.
Wow. Wow.
Where your phone out?
Oh yeah, we about to ask you questions.
They do. I love me some Cinnabon Delights.
I don't like them. I hate those things.
So I don't feel it's the candy. It's like a little sour.
I know. Alright. Oh my god, this is irritating me. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Am I a dog person or a cat person?
Dog.
You're a dog person.
Yeah, I love a dog person.
What is my favorite color?
You don't have one.
I really don't. Her first favorite color was orange. But then she started messing around and started loving the olive green color.
Let's see. Who's my best friend?
Me. In that bed.
Whatever.
Who's my best friend?
Me. Alright, do I have any allergies?
Not from my knowledge, no.
Do you? Ooh, what? She's my favorite food.
Tacos and burgers. That's my favorite food. Let's figure this out.
You like taco burritos? Oh, my nachos.
If you ever live in Iowa, Des Moines, Iowa, go to Lena's. Ask for the burrito. Alright, smack.
The place your mom took us to?
Oh. La Hacienda, no?
No, we went to La Hacienda, but she took us to Pueblo or something.
Hey, something like that. They got these tacos, right? But you gotta eat them with a fork.
I don't know what they had though. They were bringing some girl something and it was sizzling.
It was a feeder.
But it was like so big. It was the size of medium pizza. The player plate was the size of medium pizza.
Maybe hooking up on it. Alright. Which is my favorite movie? You should know this. You should know this.
Land Before Times? I don't freaking know.
That's one.
Favorite movie? But I don't know. You like watching alien movies, Menace to Society?
Oh, Menace to Society is my thing.
Okay, then what's your favorite then?
You know, The Perfect Guy.
Oh my God, creeper.
I'm not a creeper, it's just that part. The movie got to me when The Weeknd was singing in the trailer and it just hit me. It just hit me hard, bro. Like, I was like, ooh. Ooh.
Okay, what's my favorite movie though?
The 50 Grades of Shade trilogy.
Really? Really?
And then Julie and Julian.
Okay, that's my favorite cooking movie. I'm talking about my favorite movie overall.
No, what happened? Except for only movie we talked about when we been dating has been in a cooking movie?
Beyond the Lights.
Oh,
Really?
I ain't gotta sleep on the couch, right? Alright, what do I normally do in my free time?
Watch Fortnite. And watch car videos. Or play on the PS4. What do I do in my free time?
Play Best Fiends. Watch baby routines. Laying in bed, watching hair routines.
Hey, I watch Orange is the New Black too.
Which is my favorite sport?
You have a favorite sport?
Hmm?
You don't watch sports though.
I have a favorite sport though.
Basketball? Okay then, I don't know. Sorry to say.
Football and UFC.
Okay, UFC to me is not.
It's hand-to-hand combat.
Okay, first of all, it's football season right now. I don't see you watching no football.
Cause I ain't got that NFL pass.
Okay, so what's my favorite sport?
Basketball?
Okay.
Want another one? Just want the Dorito or the soft shell again?
I want to try the hard shell one.
These
Okay.
are the Dorito one.
With
Dorito.
some
Ooh, they're
time-
kind of soft.
Something that I've always wanted when you were a child but never had. No, that I had, you know.
That one thing off that one movie you want to try? The champagne or something like that?
But as a kid,
Oh.
I always wanted but never had.
I don't know.
I don't know either for you.
I heard everything as a kid.
I don't know. Oh, guys. Okay, I've never told you this, but it's like an art thing. It spins. Like it spins, and you paint on it. You ever seen one of those? You know what I'm talking about? No? Okay.
What was the question?
Something that I've always wanted when you were a child but never had.
Oh, yeah. So, I did get it. I finally got it as a kid. So, my mom had enough money, right? And she said, "What do you want for Christmas?" I said, "I want a PSP."
Oh, I didn't know this.
Yeah, my mom gave it to me, but my little brother got so mad that he sat on it and broke it in half. Cause he was jealous. He was mad at me with a fight, and he took it out on my PSP.
Napkin. Napkin work. Just tell me my cheese. Okay. I don't like this question.
What question? What question? What question?
Have you ever witnessed protection program? What would your nickname be?
You already know.
My nickname. We answer for each other. We keep forgetting.
I see you as more of a. I don't know what your name would be. I just see you as. We already call you Mira. We'll just use your real name. No one's gonna realize notice your real name. No one's gonna think of it like, oh.
I call you sure talk a lot. So that's what you do. You don't like my answer?
Oh,
Yeah, all right.
you could. If you could, does it say resurrect a famous person, who would you choose? Who would you choose?
X. Of course. X.
Me? Maybe Jean Michel Basquiat. I love that nigga. He's a great actor. Alright. If I could.
Listen up. We're supposed to answer for each other.
Mama probably. But I knew you probably would have picked X.
Yeah, bang.
What? Alright. My next question. Which is the best sports stadium where I have been?
We haven't been to a stadium yet.
No.
Neither
I've
one
been
of
to
us.
a stadium in my life. Wait, I have been to a stadium.
You know some of this.
I never told you this, but I've been to a baseball stadium. I just realized I did. We went. I think I went with the field trip at school.
Mm.
I was forced to go.
Okay. If I could be on the magazine cover, which one would it be? I have a favorite magazine.
I don't know this question.
I know yours would probably be some car sports magazine.
People time?
People time. Are you serious?
Yeah.
No, it'd be Cosmo.
I never heard of that.
Cosmopolitan magazine?
Never heard of that.
You suck. All right. Let's see. If I could be a superhero, what would I choose?
Read people's minds.
Problem.
What about me?
Well, you always said. Telepath.
Oh, wait.
Okay. Let's get to the question. What is my favorite chip flavor?
No, I'm not Darius. I eat chips on a daily.
And yours is. You like salt and vinegar a lot. That's the first chip I've had in a lot. But man, he can eat any kind of chip, honestly. Any chips.
Dude,
he's
the
okay.
Lay's fried pickle chips don't taste like fried pickles.
So what's on favorite chip?
Salt and vinegar.
Okay then. What took you so long to answer?
Please, baby.
Okay. What do I like to drink when I go out at night?
Some damn water.
Some wine.
Yeah,
If I could.
if she could, she would drink that. What about ring?
Some lemonade or tea. Usually.
No, boom, look, boom. Wait, hold on. About.
Okay. Do I prefer a live album or a studio album?
Live album.
Live album?
What is a live album?
No. Hi, Terry. We're doing a video.
What are you called doing?
A video. We're doing a YouTube video. We have to keep up. Darius, just hand him a taco.
My fault. I thought I was gonna.
No, you think he's gonna catch it that fast?
Did it explode?
Yeah, it did. All over the carpet.
Why would you do that?
I thought.
Where's your common sense?
I think.
Where's your common
I
sense?
didn't think that.
Give him another one. No, go hand it to him.
Here, I got it.
God, what's wrong with you? I gotta edit this out the video because you're just being stupid.
So Darius Dillon got him a job, huh?
Yeah.
All right. And no, I want a studio album. I don't want nobody singing live.
I would love for someone to sing live to me.
But which one would you prefer from an artist? You
Oh.
listen to studio albums. All right then. Whew. All right. Yours will be a studio album too. I already know the answer. What's my greatest fear?
Bugs.
No, that's not. That's not my greatest fear.
Me leaving you.
No, boy, please. You funny. No.
What's your greatest fear then?
Being alive in a casket. I
Oh
told you
yeah,
this.
yeah. You did tell me that. You don't know my greatest fear.
You're scared of the dark. What do you mean?
There's 3 things I'm scared of.
Hey, you didn't tell me.
I'm scared of water.
Because you can't swim.
Dang, bro, no way.
No, I don't care. No.
Yeah, I'm scared of the water and I'm scared of heights. And I hate the dark.
Okay.
Wow.
In what circumstances do you think it's okay to lie? I guess this is not a question we kind of know each other.
What are the good times to lie?
Like, when is it okay to lie?
When we roundabout loose.
Can I have some of the fries
Oh, yeah,
with
my
the
phone.
cheese?
My phone.
I want to dip my own fry in cheese.
Nah, the best time to lie, I'm just messing around. You don't ever lie to the police. But when you in trouble with your parents and you know you got siblings.
Mm-mm. 9 times out of 10, they probably already know.
True that.
So,
I used to lie to my mom all the time. Shout out would be all the time.
alright. What keeps you going day to day?
You,
Baby.
her, and my baby.
Oh, my baby. It's my baby because they're my body.
You right. What's more?
No. Let me get that sauce taco. Who do you... Okay, no, sorry. What do you consider your best and worst?
He just won't leave it there.
Quality.
I got it. I do it later. I get back from that.
What do you consider your best and worst quality?
My best quality would be like my personality, my funny ways. My worst quality is my anger. You're supposed to do. I just told you my thing.
But I know what your best qualities are. I know that. And your worst quality, you talk too much. You talk too much. You talk too much.
Your worst quality is that forehead of yours.
Oh, you want to start roasting people?
Yeah, I want some.
You want to roast people? Okay. Forehead. All right, then. All right.
Oh, hungry.
What's mine?
Your attitude is your worst quality. When
Only because I'm pregnant.
when she mad, bro.
I'm pregnant.
Bro, the whole way home.
I'm pregnant.
Bro. I don't care. The whole way home, bro. I was getting yelled out, chewed out, screamed at.
Because he don't use the logic. All right? Common sense. No. Common sense. That's all you need to use. Like, he'd be like, I know this is going to make you mad, but... Okay, if you was going to make you mad, don't even say anything. Like, just stop right there. Like, what's wrong with you? I really have a few more questions left, so... Let's see. Okay, let's see. We'll both answer for each other. What do you value more? Careful planning or freedom to be spontaneous?
Careful planning for you.
True that. That's actually true. I want things to go right. And I like things to be planned out. I'm so OCD and I'm so organized with everything in my life. So, you're spontaneous. He just, it's whatever. Let's do this. Let's do that. Until I got tucked some lunch, I'm like, no, my plan's better. Sorry. So, let's see. Do you believe in reincarnation or afterlife? Reincarnation, sorry. Hello. I don't know which one you believe in.
Reincarnation.
To bring someone back. Which one do I believe in? Do you think I believe in?
So what?
Which one do you think I believe in?
Reincarnation? Recreation?
Afterlife, Darius.
That's true. Ooh. I think the shop sell out.
Okay. Am I the type to bottle things up, overshare, or something in between?
Something in between. You be sharing little bits, but then when you bottle up, it just gets smacked at me.
I think you overshare. You overshare.
I want y'all to be heard. Y'all need to be heard in me. You feel me?
They need to hear you, not they need to hear you. What? That made no sense. Okay. Ooh. Oh my god.
What?
All right. If I could travel back in time, where would I go? Don't say nothing stupid that involve you. Cause
Back to my old house. Where would I go?
I don't know. I really don't know.
I would never be you.
Oh my god, Darius, answer the question.
I don't know where I would go.
Where would I go?
Oh, back to my crib.
No, I don't want to go back to your crib.
I don't know where you want to go. Where would you want to go?
Probably back to when I had no responsibilities.
True. When I was like a kid and I didn't give.
So yeah. Okay. So last question.
Cause I'm tired.
I don't like these questions.
What's the last
Ugh.
question?
Which historical figure would I like to have a chat with?
Historical figure.
Figure.
What's that mean?
Are you serious?
Does that mean realistic?
No, there's historical figure. George Washington, Abraham Lincoln. Someone who's very historical.
I want to really talk to Malcolm X. That'd be nice to figure out his life.
I'll probably say so.
You can go ahead. I know you want to. Just do it.
No. Okay, guys. That was the last question. But thanks for watching. We still got a decent amount of tacos left over. But please stay tuned because we're going to be doing more videos. I know we do a lot of vlogs, but we're finally going to do some challenges
Why
and
you
pranks.
gripping me so hard?
I'm not gripping you so hard. We're going to do some challenges and pranks. I'm going to prank him. And he's not going to like it. And he's going to get very violent and angry. So stay tuned.
We out!